Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is just whatever the fuck this is for fireworks upstairs because I need a quiet entrance because I've tried this about like 3 times now. This is my 4th one. Oh. It's completely dark as shit up here. Trying again for the 4th time. I'm trying again for the 4th time.
Have you still got my lighter?
Let's do it.
I'll give you a light.
Should we go to the other side?
Before we got not.
Nah.
Hang on, I've got it somewhere.
Have you got it?
What are you looking for?
Here's mine now.
Later.
No, this is Neris's one.
Well,
There you go.
That's the one.
I don't like fireworks.
We're getting lighters.
Stop. Nothing to be paranoid. No, I gave you it back when we sat at the seat.
In the flower beds.
Oh, Janice virtuates her fucking.
Janice is gonna fucking flip. Oh shit, it's going off. How on Gary move out? There we go.
Oh, that was stupid.
Yeah, they're not. They don't make big bang noises.
Gary! Gary, look. What the hell?
Hang on.
That's how you do it.
Yeah, I put fireworks in a flower bed.
That's probably a good place.
There's dust coming over here. There's dust in here as well.
Thank you.
Right.
Surprise that make a great play worldwide Christmas Eve. Marcy Valentine's includes a surprise gift.
Let's see where the other 2 have gone. Ugh. Connor, you do know YouTube just heard you said that properly.
No, I just need a toilet.
It's dark, is it? It's dark in here. They got an upper view. Wait, no, this way. Camera's on the other side.
We just had a. When I said.
I don't think my girlfriend should watch this. Babe, if you're watching this, stop the video. Click off now.
Tell your girlfriend that you got whacked in the cheek by a firework. No, don't tell her that.
Earlier, a firework exploded. I didn't get it on video, but a firework.
Taylor, can you close the window?
All the fireworks are
You
there.
just called him.
All the fireworks are there.
I said Taylor.
And they went all the way up there. And
I'm
I got
just gonna
hit
climb
one
up here.
on the cheek here, like a part of a spark or something. Don't know what
And I
touched me.
got hit. You're gonna show your girl. Like I stepped on it.
Oh, that was cool.
Wait, you're gonna show your girlfriend that?
No, she doesn't like fireworks.
Oh.
I don't know why.
No, open it. Okay. I want to hear the people die.
Let's. They're not gonna die, Connor.
But if they do, you just call me Connor.
I mean, yeah.
Charlie.
Charlie. I forgot his name then.
No. What? No undercut on. I'm going this window.
I can't get a firework. Let's go downstairs so we can get a better shot.
Go downstairs.
Barbie. Alright, Jonas?
What have I told you about my bedroom?
That's not your bedroom, Janice.
It is.
Got out of there just in time. What's he doing? I can't.
Look at Jay, that's not funny.
Ugh.
I might
Where
come
is he?
down. Gary, that's right near you.
Where's Zach? Oh.
Justice is watching with Jade on the sofa. Yeah, she's watching that one.
Hang
Can
on.
you see him, Justice?
Let me try this.
I gave you my light.
I was then coming down. I just want to wait for that.
What about that one in the...
Careful, that darling. They're just setting some more.
Okay.
They just rockets, they just shoot up.
That's alright.
I didn't know which one, what was gone.
Okay, that's probably better a little bit.
You what?
Mask.
Yeah. Bloody need her, didn't you?
Yeah.
Spare later.
I'm like half covered now.
Well, mine was on the table, a blue one. We're giving it. I ain't seen it.
That sound like more fireworks or.
I see him again.
Evie, say hi. Say hi. No expressions.
No, Gary's got it.
Right, just come in a minute, Em.
Just in case.
Everyone's going inside.
Gary, you better move along.
Let's see how this goes. Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Shit! He dropped his coffee. Did that just go next door? It missed them all the way back there, but went over next door over there. Oh my god. Next round, shooting at them. Actually, it could hit me next. Oh, there it goes. Jesus.
Babe, I want you like this one.
Allah Akbar!
Sweetheart, damn.
You shut yourself. My mask is my mask is working. Actually, let's go blind people. Ooh.
Light it further down.
Fucking light it further down. My fucking face here, darling. Whoa, one out.
Shit!
Don't know what it is. That's 600 something, whatever that is.
I mean,
Fucking moving.
that made me jump. That shit's moving. Bang! Yeah, firework went over there and went into their back garden. Kaboom! In there. Right above this garage here, you'll see lights going off. Allah Akbar!
What?
Allah Akbar.
What's that?
A terrorist word for explosion.
Well, you don't say stuff.
What do you mean everyone says it on YouTube? Hey.
It's fucking cold. Is there many more left?
Are you trying to light it by blowing it?
Yeah, because there's oxygen in
Oh shit. I
Is there
can't
many
blow.
more left, babe?
Shit, don't light it at me. Don't point
Is
it
there
at
any
me.
left in the box up there?
Don't fucking point it at me.
No, there's nothing.
No. I think we did the best ones to start with.
Yeah, I think we kind of fucked that up. Look, we have 2 more boxes of these. Just. There we go. Where did that go?
Gary, I want to see your butt crack.
See your fat ass.
What? Oh, missed that.
What?
I missed that one. What?
It's full, yeah, look.
Fine, fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it, it's gonna have to be a parter then. It's only been on for like 9 minutes.
Hey, look, I haven't even been outside for long. Someone else sitting here.
Bye. Part 2 coming after this shit.